Today we're going to do a very quick unboxing of the Beelink SER8. This has picked up a little bit of popularity recently with DHH talking about it and his customized Arch Linux script, which I do plan to install on this. So this computer, if you're not familiar with it, is a mini PC that has pretty darn good value. I actually picked this one up on sale for $500, which is $100 less than the base Mac Mini. And specs-wise are actually pretty impressive. You have the AMD Ryzen 8745HS processor, 32 gigs of memory, and a terabyte of storage. Plus, it has quite a few ports on it, which you will see. Now, I actually have the Mac Mini, and this looks to be virtually identical in dimensions. I think it might be ever so slightly thicker. But aside from that, it is very, very close in size. So you get the computer. We'll get back to that in a second. Inside the box, get a nice little hello. Over here, booklet. And looks like you get a power cable, decent sized brick, proprietary plug, well, semi-proprietary, I guess, and HDMI cable. So pretty simple in the box, but for the price, I'm not complaining. Now let's unwrap this. Well, there does not appear to be an easy tear mode, so I will make my own easy tear. So make sure you have a knife handy. All right, so nice little logo on the top. The front, here you have power button, potentially microphone, jack, USB-C, USB-A, nothing on the side. On the back, you have quite a substantial heat vent back here. The Mac Mini doesn't have anything like that. Two more USB-A, Ethernet, another USB-A, DisplayPort, and HDMI, which that's really nice. USB-C, again, power, and looks like a headphone, another headphone jack. That's interesting. I'm gonna have to see if there's any difference in the audio quality. And looks like air intake comes in from the bottom and comes out the back. There's a little tab here that I'm not gonna mess with, but I will find out what that does one day. And that is it. That is everything that comes in the box. And I will be doing a few projects with this, so you will see it again. Remember, like and subscribe if you like the content.